언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 feels like daydreaming.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome to another video. It's your girl T. In today's video, we are going to learn Procreate, okay? So everything that I learned about Procreate, or what I gathered from Procreate, should I say, I learned from All Things Shine. So y'all go over there and check out her channel, okay? So I have already imported some tumbler wrap designs. This is for up to a 20-ounce tumbler design, okay? So the first thing we're going to do, and I was trying to figure out a better way to do my iPad, but could not. So this is what we have, okay? All right, so come on now, stand down. And it just keeps rising back up. All right, so this is what we have. So before we get into today's video, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, checking out all of the other content on my channel. This is a structured tutorial. Please leave questions, comments, concerns, all of that good stuff. For my returning subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back. Welcome back. Happy Sunday. All right, so this is what our Procreate template looks like. You can make these on your own if you want a tutorial on how to make those on your own. You stay tuned for a video. So in here we have layers, okay? So you can make your background, you know, different colors, or you can just turn the background color off. But I'm going to go back and turn my background to white, okay? So you have that. Then this is your layer. Your first layer should always be your reference layer. So you would click that and make that your reference layer. But for right now, we're going to uncheck that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Creative Fabrica, and I'm going to find, let's see. I'm going to type Panda in here. And it doesn't matter what you put in here, okay? This is just what I'm just using for point of reference, okay? So y'all tell me if you've ever used Procreate. I hate the fact that this is not staying down like I want it to. Okay, maybe that's a little better. And I'm gonna pull this up like that so that's not in my face, and I'm gonna kind of turn that way. Okay, so there we go. So we have this panda, and the panda should, okay, so we have our pandas there. Now let's hope these pandas cooperate with us in here. So you're gonna go hit this wrench button and you're gonna insert a file. I'm gonna go to downloads and I'm going to type in panda, and I'm just gonna choose a panda and hopefully it imports. Ooh, this panda has a background. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna resize this panda. I don't know that this panda is going to work, y'all. Look at this thing raising back up. Okay, I don't know that this panda is going to work, but we're going to see. All right, because it should just have no background. So we're going to go to layer, and we're going to move this one down. Okay, it went behind it. We're going to see how this works out. All right, so our layer, did y'all see how I did that? So I'm going to move this back and see how it's on top of our Procreate. That's not what we want. So to bring it behind the first layer, you're going to do it like that. And remember, you're going to make your first layer the reference layer, okay? So there's that. Now, I'm going to, ooh, y'all, this is going to be a tough one, but again, I'm just showing y'all. That's like a brown. I'm going to just use this brown, even though it's not that color brown, okay? And then you're going to hit continue filling. And we don't want our background color to change, okay? Somehow our browns changed, but whatever. We're going to take that off. Interesting. And these may or may not line up. So that's where your artistic ability has to come in, okay? And then you would just keep filling it in. However, I'm going to take this out because I don't like that. But y'all get the gist of what I mean by it may or may not line up, right? So let's see if we can find something that may line up. Like, let's see. This one. Let's try this one and see if it'll line up. And then you hit continue filling. So I mean, this part lined up for right here. See right here? Right there. I probably could have made this panda a little bit bigger. And then when it does that, you just hit the, so this is how you bring an image into Procreate. Now you see this doesn't line up, so you're going to have to use your artistic ability to make the image line up. Now let's change colors here. We're going to use this white. Oops, I tapped the wrong thing. Y'all. So you want to drag it, and then you want to color drop. Oops, not that one. And then this is only an Apple app, as far as I know. And see how you would just fill all of this, you know, the panda's face in. Don't keep hitting that though. All right, so that's how you bring an image in to Procreate, okay? So I'm gonna raise this up just a little bit, and this inserted image, I'm gonna get rid of it. And then the rest of this, delete. Well, actually, let's see, hold on, let's take all these colors out first, and then I can delete that image. All right, so we're gonna go here, we're gonna slide it to the left, and we're gonna delete it. All right, so let's say we wanted to make a design. Y'all, I am going to randomly make something, okay? Say you wanted the words Mary. Oh wait, my keyboard doesn't work on here, I forgot. All right, let's just, let's say I wanted to start my rhinestone template design right here, okay? And then this is my, let's just say this is how I was starting my design, okay? Of course, I would not start a design this close up, all right? And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the line that I have extra, and I'm just going to make these two meet, okay? Whoops. Can y'all see this? Okay. So there's that. And then just say I wanted, you know, a different color. Y'all, I'm really not making a design, okay? This is just for tutorial purposes. I'll show y'all like one of the designs that I made on here already. Okay. And then you would just continue the sequence in whatever colors you wanted. Oops, go back, go back. And then we're just gonna pick some random color to fill in these last three. Okay, so, oops. So say this was our design, but we would fill this whole entire template up, okay, guys? That would be that. Now, let me show you guys a template that I actually made on Procreate. Let me go to my gallery. And then this, as you can, whoa, no. As you can see, I told you the size of SS16. This is my Christmas pattern. Wait, you guys can't see that. Okay, so SS16, this is a Christmas pattern for a 20 ounce. And this is what we have, okay? And it's just the alternating pattern of the stripes in red and green going this direction, okay? All right, guys, so that's the extent of my Procreate. You can make t-shirt designs in here. You can make sticker designs. You can make tumbler designs. You just have to use your creativity and get into Procreate, okay? So as I learn more on Procreate, then I will start teaching you more on Procreate for those that want to learn. As far as I understand, this is only an Apple product. You may find something else in Samsung or the Android market. I don't use Android, so I don't know. Okay, so thank you for watching this far. If you made it to the end or you watch any portion of my video, I greatly appreciate it. And shout out to All Things Sean for teaching me by posting videos for everybody to learn from her. So go check out her channel. She does have an Axiland discount code for you that want to use that are just beginning and stated that you wanted to purchase rhinestones. Axiland, her code is All Things Sean 15, or you can purchase them from the Baby's Booty. Okay, and there is no code for the Baby's Booty. All right, happy Sunday, guys. I'll see you next one. Bye.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 The chemistry is